power is taming your pain.
So I am Srinivasan, working in CLRI, and this is a great idea which is coming out of our CSIR family, and we are really proud to be involved in this program because we are not talking about some other problem. We are talking about our own problem, mainly TB and malaria. So students are really lucky. When I was a student, we were all thinking about this kind of project, but there was no initiation or anything like that. Now, present students are really lucky, and they are all joining with all great scientists, researchers within India. And that's really good for us. Okay. So hope all of our young students and everyone can join us in this big mission. You can say big mission towards our country, right? To strengthen our country. Please join us. And I think OSDD, the letter S, is mentioning about student, Open Student Drug Discovery System.
Oh, great.
Right? Okay.
I am Dr. Shanmugam, Senior Scientist, Synthetic Organic Chemistry, CLRI Chennai. My area of work is Synthetic Organic Chemistry. Again, working on small molecules of heterocycle. Probably most of them will be anti-malarial activity.
So do you have collaboration?
Yes, actually we are part of OSDD team of CLRI. I'm a member, and we are actively working on submitting few samples to OSDD for screening.
And how long have you been associated with?
First 1 year now.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, sir, for spending time.
Thank you, sir.
See your work integrating with community participation.
So basically, no. My community participation means we are all
No, I mean, where would it aid you when student community comes towards you?
usually I am even now training MSc students as part of their MSc project. I will give a fundamental synthetic organic problem where they can make a lot of heterocycle compound, which may be submitted to OSDD. Every year we used to train them, and I encourage them to pursue further in this area, doing PhD.
Okay, sir. Also tell you
Should
how
we start?
Yes, sir.
Myself Arun Sharma, working with Dr. GPS Raghava. I was involved in the development of OSTD CAM. It's a unique kind of database that will beneficialize the humankind. The whole the world people, they will get benefited by this one. I developed this one using PHP and MySQL. Originally, I started my career with the database development. That's why it was very helpful for me to use my experience and develop such a large database. And anything else?
And how do you solve that?
Okay, you have been associated with it's recording?
Recording.
Okay. You have been associated with OSDD for how long?
It's the start with the I think OSTD CAM was the main starting, but earlier I was also involved with I was connected with OSTD community through the use of Drugpedia. Earlier we developed in the starting 2 databases. Those are published. First one HMR base, published in BMC Genomics. There we provided the link to Drugpedia. We automatically created the pages of that database and uploaded those pages on the Drugpedia. That was my starting with OSTD. And then next we developed second database, that was BIADB, published in BMC Pharmacology. There also we provided the link to Drugpedia, where anybody can navigate to the Drugpedia, and if want to add additional information about any kind of benzyl isocyanated alkaloids, then he or she may enter that information there.
Okay, over the years, how do you see, what trend do you see? The participation in OSDD CAM or any other database you have created has gone up or it has gone down?
I think it going up and up
Okay.
with the OSTD camp.
That's a positive news.
Yeah, throughout India, number of persons they know me because of that OSTD camp.
Okay.
It provided me recognition
Okay.
from lab to outside. I think every member of OSTD community they know me because of OSTD camp. That is a very positive point for me
Okay.
from the career point of view as well as
Social point.
social point of view.
Okay, great
And what's your,
achievement.
following up on Geeta's question, what are the challenges you faced while you were creating the database, and has the community come forward and helped you in solving those once you released it to the community?
Actually, I didn't face any difficult type of condition. No such type of condition any time created before me because I was experienced. I had developed two databases before that one. So using my that experience, I was very convenient during the development of OSTD camp. The only thing was there that it had to complete on the time. It's
The deadline.
if you its deadline was very short. Actually, Dr. Jalil and Anshu ma'am came here and they talked about that one on the July 1st to me, and I was told that it should be completed or its alpha version should be launched till July 15th. So just 15 days were there to develop this one. So, but because of the experience, I was able to launch.
Work on that.
Yeah,
Complete.
I was able to work on that one.
Okay.
Then it was totally completed within 55 days.
Okay. So
That was a
So that was about you. Have you received feedback from the community? How they have found the database? Is it user friendly or some? If they
And
had
has it
any
helped you improve it?
complication?
I think it's very user friendly.
Okay.
Nobody has complained like that.
Okay.
Actually, the logic behind this one was so good. Nobody complained about that one. Actually, expert minds were there behind it.
Okay.
Dr. Anshu Bhadwaj were always there, and Geeta was there. If any time I was in need, she helped me. Whether it was creating the help page or anything else, she was always ready.
Thank you, Arun, for sparing
you.
this much time. Thanks a lot.